Are you waking up weaker than yesterday? Struggling to lift, bend, or balance like you used to? Most seniors blame aging, but what if that's not the real cause? The truth is, your body may be missing one key trigger that helps rebuild muscle, and it happens while you sleep. I am Dr. No Pill, and after 20 years helping seniors recover strength, mobility, and independence, I've learned one truth. Medications rarely fix what food, movement, and better sleep can do naturally. Today, I'll show you a simple nighttime ritual that helps stop muscle loss and support strong bones after 60, naturally. Like and subscribe now, and keep watching for a secret bedtime food that triggers deep tissue repair. The first remedy, deep sleep repair. Here's where we start. If your body doesn't enter deep, restorative sleep, it can't repair muscle. And the key to that is magnesium glycinate, one of the most powerful natural remedies for seniors over 60. Why magnesium glycinate? Because it helps calm the nervous system, supports deep REM and slow wave sleep, boosts growth hormone at night, and fuels over 300 muscle-supporting functions in the body. But here's the shocking truth. Over 70% of older adults are magnesium deficient. That means even if you're eating well, your cells might not be absorbing what they need to rebuild muscle and keep bones strong. So what can you do? A natural bedtime remedy. Warm water with a pinch of magnesium glycinate powder, or magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, spinach, and avocado, eaten 2 hours before sleep. Add a sprinkle of sea salt to aid absorption. It's simple, it's natural, and it sets the stage for muscle recovery, bone strengthening, and anti-aging skin repair, all while you sleep. Keep watching. Next, we'll reveal the overlooked amino acid that fights sagging skin and rebuilds tissue overnight. If you're learning something new, don't forget to like and share this video with someone over 60 so they too can be inspired to take a hold of their health naturally. Next, the 3 natural muscle-saving nutrients. Now that you know muscle loss during sleep is a real and urgent concern for seniors, let's dive into what your body actually needs at night to stop this silent breakdown. Because if you get just 3 key nutrients into your system before bed in the right natural way, you can support muscle growth, reduce sagging skin, and even promote strong bones, all while you sleep. 1. Magnesium, the overnight muscle protector. Most seniors are magnesium deficient, and they don't even know it. That's a huge problem because magnesium is essential for muscle repair, protein synthesis, and even restorative sleep. Without it, your body can't do the work of rebuilding. Instead, it just breaks down muscle tissue even faster. This accelerates both muscle loss and aging skin. But here's the good news. Magnesium is one of the best natural remedies for preventing this overnight decline. What should you do? Try sipping a warm cup of magnesium-rich herbal tea, like chamomile, lemon balm, or even pumpkin seed tea, about an hour before bed. It helps relax your nervous system, aids sleep, and feed your muscles at the same time. Keep watching, because later we'll show you a simple evening habit with pumpkin seeds that could help reverse sagging skin and muscle loss without a single pill. 2. Glycine, the collagen booster and sleep regenerator. Glycine is an amino acid your body needs to repair tissue, build collagen, and maintain muscle integrity. In fact, studies show that seniors who consume glycine before sleep experience faster recovery from muscle fatigue, better quality deep sleep, and even improved skin hydration and elasticity. Yes, glycine helps restore collagen, reduce wrinkles, and support anti-aging from the inside out. That's why it's a hidden gem among natural remedies for seniors above 60. So how can you get glycine? The most powerful source for seniors is a simple one: bone broth. 1 warm cup before bed gives your body a potent dose of glycine, along with magnesium, collagen, and essential minerals that help prevent sagging skin, boost muscle regeneration, and support strong bones. You'll hear more about bone broth in a moment, and why Dr. No Pill calls it liquid gold for seniors. 3. Tryptophan, your brain-muscle connection. Most people associate tryptophan with feeling sleepy after Thanksgiving turkey, but it's more than that. Tryptophan is a natural amino acid that helps your body create serotonin and melatonin, both critical for mood and sleep regulation. But what's rarely talked about is how this affects your muscle recovery and aging skin. Poor sleep due to low tryptophan levels leads to increased cortisol, and cortisol breaks down muscle tissue. So if you're tossing and turning at night, waking up stiff, or noticing your strength and balance fading, you may be lacking this key nutrient. What's a great source? Pumpkin seeds. Just one handful in the evening delivers both tryptophan and magnesium, a powerful 1-2 punch for overnight muscle support. Coming up in part 3, we'll show you exactly how to combine pumpkin seeds, bone broth, and simple nighttime breathing to create your sleep and strength evening ritual. So keep watching. If you're finding this helpful so far, give this video a like and share it with a fellow senior who's trying to stay strong and age naturally without pills. Next, the nightly ritual that rebuilds strength while you sleep. So far, we've revealed why muscle loss speeds up at night and the 3 essential nutrients your body needs after 60 to fight it naturally: magnesium, glycine, and tryptophan. Now let's put it all together into a simple nighttime ritual you can follow, one that doesn't require any pills, powders, or expensive supplements. Step 1. 2 hours before bed, eat for anti-aging. Start with a light, protein-rich dinner 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Focus on wild-caught fish for omega-3s, cooked greens for magnesium and calcium, sweet potatoes or lentils for complex carbs and natural tryptophan. Why does this matter? Because your dinner sets the stage for what your body does at night. If you eat too late or eat processed foods, your body stays in digestion mode, not repair mode. But if you nourish yourself early with anti-aging, whole foods, your body can focus on rebuilding muscles and collagen while you sleep. Keep watching, because in Step 3 we reveal the exact bedtime snack that works like a recovery shake for seniors, without any artificial ingredients. Step 2. 90 minutes before bed. The magnesium tea and unwind ritual. One of the best natural remedies for seniors over 60 is this: magnesium-rich herbal tea plus a relaxation wind down. This combo not only helps you fall asleep faster, but also supports lower cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down muscle, better melatonin production for deeper sleep, and overnight collagen repair. Try a warm cup of chamomile tea, contains apigenin, which calms the brain, or pumpkin seed tea, rich in magnesium and tryptophan. As you sip, take 5 to 10 minutes to slow your breathing. Try this. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and rebuild mode your body needs for muscle regeneration and glowing skin. Dr. No Pill recommends this step every night, especially for seniors trying to reverse wrinkles, reduce sagging, and fight muscle loss naturally. Step 3, 30 minutes before bed. The muscle and skin recovery snack. This next step is your secret weapon, a simple, natural bedtime snack that helps your body boost collagen, repair muscles, and restore youthful strength overnight. Option 1. Bowl with spoon 1 cup of warm bone broth, rich in glycine, collagen, and minerals. This is the gold standard for senior health after 60. It helps rebuild connective tissue, hydrate the skin, fuel overnight muscle repair. Dr. No Pill calls this sleeping with a repair crew. Your body does the work, and bone broth gives it the tools. Option 2. Spoon a handful of raw pumpkin seeds. These are packed with magnesium, tryptophan, and protein, a compact, pill-free way to reduce nighttime cortisol, support melatonin production, preserve lean muscle tissue. For best results, alternate between these two. Bone broth one night, pumpkin seeds the next. Over time, many seniors report better sleep, more strength and energy, and a noticeable reduction in wrinkles after 60. Step 4. Bedtime, lights out and muscle on. Here's where it all comes together. When you sleep in complete darkness, your body ramps up growth hormone, a powerful anti-aging compound that builds muscle, burns fat, supports youthful skin. But here's the kicker. Any light, even from a phone or street light, can suppress melatonin and growth hormone. So here's your nightly action plan. Use blackout curtains or sleep mask. Keep screens off 30 minutes before bed. Keep your room cool and quiet. Then lie down, knowing that your body, now nourished and relaxed, is in rebuild mode. This is how seniors above 60 fight sagging skin, preserve strong bones, and stay active into their 70s and beyond naturally. So there you have it, a full circle plan to stop muscle loss while you sleep, all without pills or prescriptions. When you combine the right food, nutrients, and nighttime habits, you give your body what it's craving, a chance to restore itself naturally. We created No Pill Zone to empower seniors to take back their health, using what nature already gave us. You don't need another supplement. You need the right rhythm, the right nutrients, and the belief that healing is still possible, even after 60. Try this tonight. Give it 1 week. See how your body responds. If this video gave you hope or helped you learn something new, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to No Pill Zone, and share it with someone you care about.